Before we add the resolve property to the activities route, I want to demonstrate the existing behavior. You may have noticed earlier in the demos that when I click on the activities link, we're immediately taken to the page, but the list of activities is not immediately available. It shows up a second later. I'll click it now so you can see that. I'm actually artificially slowing down the data service call that returns that data just for demonstration purposes. But in a real application running in a more realistic network environment, you could certainly run into these kinds of delays. There is nothing really functionally wrong with the code, but from a user experience perspective, you may decide that you don't want to show any portion of the page until all of the data is available. The resolve property can help you do that. I'll go back to the code and quickly open the All Activities controller. You can see the data service call to get all activities. That's the call we're now going to handle with the resolve property. I'll go to the activities route definition and paste in the code for the new property. The object assigned to the resolve property has a property named activities. We're assigning to it a function that returns the result of calling getAllActivities on the data service. Since that call returns a promise, Angular will wait until that promise is successfully resolved before transitioning to the new route. When it does, the activities data will be injected into the controller in a parameter named activities as defined here. We need to make the corresponding changes in the All Activities controller. I'll inject into it the new parameter named activities. I'll then assign that parameter to the All Activities property that the view already expects to be on the view model. We no longer need the call to retrieve the same data down below, so I'll just comment it out for now. I'll refresh the app, and this time when I click the Activities link, there will still be a small delay, but it will happen before the route transition takes place. This technique doesn't speed up your network calls, but it makes the transition feel a little more smooth.